Let's go spend the day with my cousin. Just leaving my estate. I'm on my way to my cousin's res. Yeah.
I'm gonna send to Temba.
Okay.
Please go.
Get me on some yo.
On some? Yeah.
Guys, having cousins, this is what happens on a random Wednesday. You'll get a message on some, I'm coming over there.
Let's have a cute little picnic.
Even though the weather was like, not today, ma'am.
But we still managed to do something. A little some. Yeah, let's act cute. I'm gonna edit with the song.
Okay. Guys, I haven't had a black drink in a really long time.
What dance do you know? You know what?
Yeah.
Nora's the prettiest girl I've ever known. She's just as beautiful as...
Beautiful? And you think that's all that matters? Oh, hurry up and get in bed, will you?
Nora's the prettiest girl I've ever known. She's just as beautiful as...
Beautiful? And you think that's all that matters? Oh, hurry up and get in bed, will you?
ever known. She's just as beautiful as...
Beautiful. And you think that's all that matters? Oh, hurry up and get in bed, will you?
That's the end of my vlog, everyone. Good night. Forgot to film an outro yesterday, so it's the next day. I'm in my kitchen. Yeah, good night.